War of words between the United States of America and China is at an all-time high, with the U.S. being one of the worst impacted coronavirus countries. The Trump administration is now pointing fingers at Beijing, blaming it for spreading the virus and concealing critical information about the outbreak. Here's a look.
Two global powers at loggerheads in the aftermath of the pandemic. With Donald Trump alleging that the coronavirus originated in a lab in China, America is mincing no words in pinning the blame for the contagion on Beijing. The latest to add to the China lab theory is U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo.
Remember, China has a history of infecting the world, and they have a history of running substandard laboratories. These are not the first times that we've had a world exposed to viruses as a result of failures in a Chinese lab. I can tell you that there is a significant amount of evidence that this came from that laboratory in Wuhan.
While Beijing has repeatedly denied that it covered up the extent or severity of the virus outbreak, United States has been relentless in its attack. Now it's demanding details about patient zero from China.
Details of where patient zero, where this began, are things that are knowledge that's in the possession of only the Chinese Communist Party. They're the ones that can help unlock that. If they need technical assistance, we're happy to provide.
Not one to back down, the Dragon 2 is breathing fire against the United States, saying that instead of blame game, what the US needs is some reflection.
It's not only a war between humankind and viruses, but also war between truth and lies. Shifting the blame will not solve the problem or the lives lost. We hope that the politicians in the United States who are still addicted to the buck-passing game can mend their course as soon as possible and concentrate on how to control the epidemic at home.
With the US-China animosity at an all-time high, Beijing is now calling for cooperation.
In the face of this fight between humans and viruses, China and United States should become comrades in arms other than enemies.
We'll let you know at the appropriate time, but we are doing serious investigations.
It's not just the United States. The world is simmering with anger against China. Beijing faces a growing backlash from countries calling to hold China accountable for its role in the pandemic. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.